Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair guys. In this video today we're going to explain where the engine starter fuse is located on Ford F-150. We'll demonstrate specifically on 2012 year model, but it should be helpful on the generation from year 2009 all the way to year 2014. Make sure to send you the end. We will explain guys why it's super important to test fuses as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So let us show you now guys. We're going to demonstrate on 2012 model specifically guys, and the fuse box will be under the hood, the one that you will need guys, okay, and we're demonstrating on that generation F-150. So we want to show you guys quickly where that fuse is located and what to expect. Now before we start, let me just explain why it's super important to test fuses guys, so you don't spend thousands of dollars on problems that do not exist. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse guys we need to check? This one will be the fuse box under the hood. So you can see this row right here is the rows with the relays. You need to come underneath it, that's the row right here, and the engine starter fuse, okay, will be guys, if you come in that row, will be 1, 2, 3. This is known as fuse 13. F13 guys, that 30 amp fuse will be the one for the engine starter. If Ford F-150 does not start, we'll be making another video soon what else could be causing that, so please subscribe to our channel. We'll have very helpful information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.